Sanibonani bafethu, I hope all good bafethu. Molenye video lana bafethu. Engaspikini no King Zoso bafethu, zitrenda. Amajita bafethu, jabula kakhulu bona lead bafethu ku-event kaKhuzani if I'm not mistaken bafethu. I'm open to be corrected if like ngenza mistake when it come to event bebe kuyo, but bebe ku-event la King Zoso wahlala naledi aphiwe. Even no speaker can know that aphiwe, but according to me they mbona khona ledi la kubonisa uthando kuma fans wakhe. Like I see these guys as abantu ababonisa uthando towards naledi and ababonayo ukuthi nato izinto smart, izinto grand, and like in a way they show love about content, about bebiza ngakhona, even though abanye abantu they take it serious as if like ngempela uSpeaky uyazithandela or uKing Zoso uyazithandela lapha unaledi. But I don't think amajita like bayicova ngaleyo ndlela leyo yayibona nto le. I don't think like that at all. I don't think like that at all. Like mina mbona amajita like athanda isipanish kanaledi, athanda indlela ngakhona naledi, because naledi bafethu ubabli bafethu ayekho umuntu ongamthanda naledi, ayibona nto le. That is why ama-South African agcine esithini i-Cocomelon lead, because i-Cocomelon ifuna uyabukela bafethu amapopaya ababli bafethu, ayibona nto le. So I really love the way like engakhona towards ama fans wakhe yabo, babonisa uthando, ama pictures, kwaba ama video and all those things. It shows ukuthi asomuntu otshelayo, it shows ukuthi umuntu umwazi ayimanje abanye abantu and yakwazi ukubonisa uthando kubantu abamthanda back, yayibona into le. I feel like kahle if uthiwa maybe all over bashala ngokweqiniso, like maybe bazimisele bamfuna ngempela, I don't think ukuthi bane chance uba amthoni naledi bafethu, because capacity yakhe yokucabanga, the way view ngakhona ubumi, like mangibheka bona amajita ngibheka naledi like abana chance ukuthi bangawina lapha yabafethu, abana chance ukuthi bangawina lapha. And enye into engiyibona naledi sasithandele kumawelele wakhe, and I feel like into grand le angithola ukuthi bambisane bapush, because like they've been doing great things be-two and they've been winning into eziningi be-two. So I feel like it's one of the power couple that we have in South Africa currently. So ingathi bangahlukani babambane njalo bafethu. VKS is out bafethu. Wa-comment bafethu nawe uthi ucabangane, yayibona into leyo. But nama just sharing my thought ukuthi no, amajita if like afuna ngempela hayi abanayo chance. Bakhohle abanayo chance. But if amajita adlala yakis, they can make money, they can make fan base and all those things. But if bafuna ngempela nalaphiwa fethu ababhampila, they will never face VKS is out. I say yeah. Hatuthando lamshibele.